Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss about RMAN Backup with script tip. RMAN Backup, everyone knows how we can take RMAN Backup, but we will discuss here from start. Like we will discuss in this video, create RMAN Backup script. Then create file as sh having RMAN commands. Sh, why? Because this is a Linux, or you can create batch file or exe file as you like in Windows. Then create script from file, create dynamic script, create print and execute script, list script, replace existing global script or delete existing script. So we will start. First we create RMAN backup. Backup script means, here script means a file. We will write all the required commands for backup in one file. Commands, hopefully you know already these commands, but I will describe little bit here. In RMAN, first you will log into RMAN to but create command you can just create in editor, any editor you like. You can write run brackets allocated channel. It depends how many channels you want to open or you want to allocate. It depends on the size. If size is huge, you can create 4 or 5 channels, or 2 or 3 will be enough for medium size or small database. Here I use rate command as well to control the bandwidth, so it will not consume already running database in production. If you want to limit the rates, you can limit by mentioning as a rate 50M means 50 MB. Backup as compressed backup set, incremental level 0, because this is I am taking 0 level means full backup, not incremental. Then you can mention tag, because this is backup set for database, that's why I mentioned tag as db-level 0. You can mention anything as your choice. Then format, in format you will mention your folder and the file criteria like %s, %d, %t, %p, whatever you want to mention here. It's your choice, but you should first understand what their meanings are. Then mention database, semicolon. Next command you will type SQL alter system archive log current. Backup as compressed backup set, incremental level 0 again, tag arc level 0 because this is archive files. Format same way, you will mention the file path and file. Archive log all skip inaccessible. It means it will take all archive as a backup but skip which is the latest file which is in use. Then next command backup incremental level 0 tag control file, because here you will take control file. Format file name same, you can mention here same way, and current control file for standby. This backup actually got taken for standby, so it's mentioned like standby. Next command backup sp file, you can take backup as of sp file, same command. You have to mention the format, the path of the file location and file name. Next commands, I have added these commands just to delete the obsolete backup set. If already there, previous one, it will remove, so it will save you space. Cross check backup set, report obsolete, delete no prompt obsolete, and close the brackets, so script is complete. So you can save this file as backup_script.sh. Now create script from file. Create script means RMAN from database 11G, it is giving script option. like this command file you can save in RMAN in Oracle as a script. It is also possible to create a script directly from a file. Assume that you have a file called backup underscore database. Here I make backup underscore script .sh, and you want to put it in the recovery catalog as a global script to be able to use in each database that registered in this recovery catalog. To do so, use the create script from file command as follows. Like here, cat command is used to see the contents of the file. If we run this command, it will show all the contents in previous slide we created. On RMAN, now we will open RMAN with RMAN target / catalog. We will mention username, password and DB name. It will be connected. Then we will write command create global script backup underscore DB. You can mention any name you like. From file, you will mention here file which we created above. So here you can see that we are creating global script. Global script. Why we are creating global script? Because if this RMAN is configured for multiple databases, this catalog is configured for multiple databases, then global will be accessible through all databases. So it will be benefit for us to, so we can call with any database, it will be accessible. Script will be loaded from file as mentioned, created global script backup underscore DB. This message came when script created. We can see the script by writing print script backup underscore DB command. It will show us all the commands which we wrote in the sh or text file. Now we can see these all commands are saved in the script backup underscore DB. We can run this command, we can run this script through RMAN as mentioned here, run brackets execute global script backup underscore DB semicolon and then close bracket close. If we run this command, it will run the script to take backup. As you can see, it is showing executing global script, starting backup at this. Again, output is streamed. So how we can create a dynamic script? It is also possible to pass a value to the stored RMAN script. It is an 11G new feature which is available in all new databases to create a dynamic script in RMAN. In this example, a dynamic script is created and two values are passed to it, the name and extension of the backup file. As you can see, command will be create script backup underscore DB, allocate channel as mentioned, as we wrote in our file as well. Here, for example, I am using only one line, so just to describe. Device type disk, backup format equals folder name and then &1 dot &2 single quotes close and then database. So backup database basically, but file name we are asking from user. Created script backup underscore DB. Next, run the script inside a run block and pass the values as shown here. Through RMAN, we are running the script like run execute script backup underscore DB using DB underscore backup, first parameter in single quotes and then space, second parameter BKP in single quotes, semicolon. Now we gave the file name .bkp as extension as well through two parameters. Now it will execute the script. As you can see, it is executing script, starting backup, finished backup. It is possible to call the script directly from the OS command line and pass the values as follows. Previously we run in RMAN. We saw how we can pass parameters. Now without opening RMAN, we can run from command prompt. So we can run RMAN target / catalog username password script. We have to mention here word script and then script name backup underscore DB using First parameter single quotes backup underscore db space, second parameter single quotes bkp. Running the above command, RMAN connects to the target and catalog database and run the script backup underscore db by passing it two parameters, backup underscore db as a file name and bkp as an extension. List script. List all the other options you can use. Like all the other options, you can use the list script names command to print the scripts that you have in your catalog, local and global, as well as a complete listing. Below is output from catalog where you have just created two scripts. List script names. This command will show you private and global scripts. As you can see, script of target database db1, script name as description sp file underscore backup, and global script is available like script name description backup underscore database. As you can see, in private it mentions that it has created for target database db1, but in global it mentions as a global script only, which means it will be available for all the databases in catalog. Replace existing global script. There may be times when you want to change the content of the script. It is not required that you delete the existing script in order to do so. You can simply replace the current script contents with the new ones by the replace script command. Replace your global script with some new content, but before that, print and see its current contents. You can write command print global script backup underscore db. It will show you all the content. Same way, now you can change the content in replace global script backup underscore db, and you can write all the commands as you like. So this script will be changed. It is also possible to replace the script using the OS file as follows. Like before, we created script through file. So now we can replace as well through file. So we have to change only in our created file as a sh or text. And then we will run the command replace global script sp file underscore backup from file, and we mention in single quotes file location and file name. Now we can run again print global script backup underscore db, and we can see the script has been changed. Delete existing script. Finally, if you are not willing to use the script anymore, you can delete it with the delete script command. Once deleted, there is no way to get the script back. So this command should be executed only when it is certain that the script is not needed anymore. The command is delete global script backup underscore db. This will delete the script permanently, so be careful with this command. Thank you very much for watching this, and hopefully you like the videos. Please mention your comments if you have any doubt or any improvement suggestion. I will be thankful for your kind suggestions, and hopefully we will meet again in next video. Till then, goodbye.